got a good deal on this faucets. We bought 4 of them, I believe, for 40 bucks or 30 bucks last year on Black Friday sale, I believe, on Home Depot. So we're changing all the faucets. Here's my wife. Likes it to be black with the black accessories over here. And then we're gonna paint this in gold, and we're gonna have black accessories over here, As you can see, everything is black. Now it's trendy, and then gold frame for the mirror. Now we're gonna change it without experience. So this is my second faucet change. We changed the upstairs one, but I'm not sure how properly it's gonna work. So this is a very tight spot. I'm not sure how I'm gonna unscrew the bolts and then the nuts, and it's very hard to get in here. Even my hand can barely fit over here. 니냐 뭐야 갔네. 그치 뺏겠나 뭐가 봐. Plastic jest nocy. Ciuszki. So I couldn't remove the plastic nuts over there. It's very hard to access. My hand barely fits there, and tools don't fit. I'm not sure if there is any way to get it out easily. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tighten this and then take out the sink. I don't have a choice now. So I'm gonna put back over here just to make sure that the water doesn't leak there on the floor, and it just goes down to the bucket. So as I said, I'm just a beginner. I don't have any knowledge. I looked up on YouTube, and people suggested like different things, but they don't work for this because I have pretty much inaccessible sink. So I just untighten this, untighten this, and untighten the P-trap. As you can see, there's a water inside the P-trap because the water stays here so that the gas coming from the sewage line doesn't go to your room, bathroom. So as you can see, it's nasty inside. I got the stopper out. And this is how it looks. As you can see, this is just on top of that metal piece. So I'm just gonna take this out now. Everything is unscrewed. So I got the sink out, but I messed up the paint over here, but that's fine. We're gonna paint it again. So this is the stuck plastic nut. So now I'm gonna unscrew it with the screwdriver flat. Put it here, bang it with the hammer. So I got the first one out. Doing the second one now. Put it here, bang it with the hammer. Here it's all rusted. Even though the nut is plastic, but everything is faucet, and the plastic nut is good. It's super tight, I like it, but it's very hard to untighten it, unscrew it. So now I'm just gonna change the faucet and then plug it into the water and put on the anchors. That's all. Now this one is almost out, so I'm just going to clean it up here and put the faucet on. So now the faucet is out. I'm going to put the new one on now. Yeah, as you can see here, threads are rusted, so that's why it got stuck. Iron, here, salt. Now I'm just going to clean up here and inside here. It's all so nasty. Now everything is clean. I'm going to install the faucet over here. So it's got nice installation instructions. If you want to follow this, you can follow this. And it tells you what tools you need for this. Wrench, supply goggles, supply line, silicone sealant, and sealant tape, Teflon. So take this here and tighten it up with the plastic. Now this is tightened up. I'm gonna put the stopper rod over here in the back. Now this is ready. I'm gonna hook it up there and connect this water lines and put the stopper and put back the P-trap. So yeah, I damaged the drywall. We're gonna paint it anyways and then seal it again. I have to paint other parts too, so I'm not that worried. So I can just finish it up now. And make sure it sits right. So when you touch it, it doesn't shake. So everything is good, firmly. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the water lines. So I'm just gonna screw them. Same way I screwed right here. So I'm going to Teflon the outside the nuts and outside the thread. Now Teflon is ready. I'm gonna put it here in the hole. Make sure this hole stays here for the emergency. Let's see here. Here. Make sure you hold it here and then tighten from underneath. And this hole goes to that. I'm not sure if you can see it from there. It's right over here. Right over here on this side. You're gonna see the hole. So I'm gonna remove this. Put onto this and then tighten it with this. Put the nut bolt here. So this is how it should look like. And this goes like this. Over here. So the metal rod doesn't fit over there, so we have to cut it, but I don't have a tool to cut it now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this on the side and tighten the nuts over here. Hopefully it doesn't leak. I hooked up the rod stopper. Okay. Now I have to put the stopper. That's all. So now the rods are ready, everything is ready. I'm gonna put back the P-trap, tighten up and check. Turn on the water to see if there's any leak. Hopefully there's no leak. Tighten up here. Tighten up here. Now everything is ready. This is how it looks.